Hey everyone, I'm Nan. I'm the retail interior designer for DesignQ. I wanted to welcome you to the Pacesetter Calypso show home in Jensen Lakes in St. Albert, and today we're going to take you through some of the furniture pieces that we offer at DesignQ's shop. So our first piece of furniture is the Antonio chaise. This is in a grade 15 fabric, and there are different grades of fabrics depending on what the fabric is made of. So this will depend on the pricing as well, but there are tons to choose from. Lots of different colors, lots of different patterns, so something to fit any style for any room. So if you're looking for a beautiful contemporary coffee table, this is the quill. It's beautiful. It has a natural concrete top, which means that no two coffee tables will be the same because of their natural look in the concrete. It also incorporates a gorgeous gold tray on the side, which is completely unique to this style. And if a rectangle doesn't fit your room, it also comes in a square shape as well. So then to coordinate with the quill, we've got the Lucius end table. Also with a really beautiful concrete top, which again will be different for each piece, and it incorporates the gold metal on the side also. These little C-shaped tables are great. They're perfect for a smaller urban lifestyle, or they're great for a larger room like we have in the Calypso great room as well. So a great way to finish off any room, especially one with a hardwood floor, is with an area rug just like you see in our LZs here. It's a beautiful modern feel with kind of an eclectic vibe to it as well. So it's really great to go with lots of different styles that you might have. It combines really gorgeous grays, creams, and also a little bit of light blue as well to keep it looking light and fresh in the room. So if you look way up, you'll see our beautiful gold framed Agatha mirror. So you'll see in the Calypso show home that we've done in this room, we're leaning it against the wall on top of the fireplace. This doesn't have to be hung on the wall. It could be leaned on the floor. There's lots of different options. So let your imagination run wild and take a look at our beautiful Agatha mirror. So welcome to your dining room. This is the Jade dining table. It's made of an acacia wood, which is known for its long-lasting qualities and its timeless wearability as well. This piece is super cool. It has a gorgeous antique brass insert right down the middle of the table, which coordinates with the geometric base on the bottom, making it a really cool conversation starter for your dining guests. So if you're looking for some great counter height stools for your kitchen island, look no further than the Parker. This has a beautiful cream linen fabric, and not only are they beautiful and stylish, but they're super comfortable as well, with really great armrests and footrests to it. So if you're looking for a beautiful, sophisticated, sleek accent chair, the Koba is where you're going to want to sit. The cool thing about this is it also comes in a beautiful sofa as well to coordinate. When you combine it with the gray aluminum Sonia end table, the look is absolutely stunning. So if you're looking for a beautiful, modern, stylish area rug, the Genesis is something that you're going to want to look at. It combines a unique pattern of grays, creams, whites, and beautiful soft blues to fully coordinate the room. So to finish off the look of our main floor, we have some gorgeous, edgy artwork called Abstract Layers. It comes in 2 different colors, and it just finishes off the look of the whole main floor.